Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. Today's reading is going to be different, Scorpios. I'll be picking cards for your for your present situation and your future of this connection, guys. So, three cards for your present situation and three cards for the future of this connection, Scorpios. And if you like this kind of reading, guys, please let me know in the comments. I'll be doing more of such readings for you all guys in future. So these are the cards, Scorpios. So let's start with your present situation today, guys. Scorpios, the first card is Four of Fire, two of Fire, guys, and Page of Air. So with these cards for your present situation, Scorpios, with these cards, guys, for your relationship, I see that uh, for many of you, you are in a new connection, in a new love with a new person. So if you are single and open to a relationship, I see you finding someone interesting, finding someone you love, guys. Or if you are already in a relationship, you have uh, a new way of connecting with this person, a deep, meaningful way, and something interesting you, uh, making you curious to know more about this person. Maybe that desire to understand them, desire to build this relationship, desire to have a deep, meaningful connection with them. So, you have that perfect harmony and balance in this connection, guys, and you are simply celebrating this relationship, celebrating this love. You love being with them and you love to spend time with them, with this person, and you are enjoying each other's company. Mutual love is there in this connection, and you are still what to say, young in this connection. You don't know how this person is and how this connection will go in future. So you have that, but still you have that trust and faith on them. So certain things may be vague for you. You don't have that clarity on how things will go, but you feel that if you try hard to work this connection, make it work no matter what, build that understanding with this person, build that love, work together for that um, perfect situation for yourself, for both of you. You will be able to see magic, and you trust this person, and you have faith in yourself that you can make this connection work, and you are curious to know about them, curious to find out um, about their past, about what they like, what they do not like, and you are trying to have this uh, proper relationship, working towards that proper relationship with this person. So I see that you are still in that progressive stage in this connection. You are progressing in a positive way, trying to be trying to build this good relationship for both of you. So you have that um, clear path for you in this connection, guys. You know how to make things go right for you, and you are working on those lines. Let us see what is the future of this connection, how things will go for you and this person. King of Fire, Empress, and Six of Earth. So the future of this connection, Scorpios, sometimes for some of you, I see that there may be certain circumstances influencing you towards something against this connection, or there may be people influencing you to leave this person to find someone better. So, some kind of control, someone trying to control your life, I see. But I also see that whatever you have done, whatever efforts and whatever love, understanding, and that patience you had for this person, that is going to take you the long way, guys, make you go that distance. So maybe sometimes you may have some confusing situations coming up in this connection, some kind of doubts you may have on them, or they may have some doubts on you, and someone may be influencing you against this connection. But still, in this love, what you have is true love towards them. If what you have is true love towards them today, that is going to bring you both together in future. So whatever chaotic situation you face in future, in this love, what you have sowed, that love that you have sowed today, that is going to grow as a beautiful tree, guys, that is going to help deepen this connection with this other person, and it is going to come back in an unexpected way. So the saying, what you reap is what you sow, is going to become true for you, Scorpios. So if it is true love that you have for this person, and that is what you are sowing today, that is what you are going to reap, and it is going to come in a very unexpected way, and you will be simply surprised how things are going to go for you in future. So you may have some doubts about this person, confusions whether this love will work or where it is going, but it is going to come towards you multifold, that love. So much more stronger than before, and you will feel nourished, happy, and you will be able to uh, co-create the future with this person, guys. So if you are in a relationship with a person, guys, I see that this is a working connection, guys, positive connection, and things will go beautifully for you in future. No matter what you face in between, maybe there will be always some stressful things happening in a connection, guys, but that is not going to shake things with this love. So you will be strengthened, and this love will deepen much better than before, and you will see things going in a very positive way for you, Scorpios, in future. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your reading, Scorpios, and that is the reading for today. If you like this kind of reading, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be doing more of such readings for you all, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, Scorpios.